Hello strangers! Today we have a FabFitFun unboxing. I recently got the spring box, so I wanted to unbox it with you guys. It's been a minute since I filmed and I missed you, and I figured this would be the perfect way to say hello and have a little fun together. FabFitFun is a seasonal box that comes every, I don't know, 3 months. Spring, summer, fall, and winter, and this is the spring box. It's so springy. Like, what embodies spring more than the color yellow? I mean, when I think of spring, I'm so excited. I think of yellow tulips. That's just me. Just wanted to share that information with you. You have to tell me in the comments below what you think of when you think of spring. Anyways, FabFitFun is a great box. Alright, they've got over $200 worth of goodies in here that are health related, lifetime, beauty, just popular things that you might not necessarily buy yourself, but then when you get them, you're like, this is awesome. It's like Christmas 4 times a year. I love it so much. Listen, I have a coupon code. It's Samantha10. I'm going to put it somewhere on the screen and in the description bar along with a link. It's not an affiliate link, but they do give it to my subscribers because I have partnered with FabFitFun to bring you this video today. So yeah, I work with FabFitFun. I've been working with them for years. I love them so much. Thank you to FabFitFun for helping your girl out here. And yeah, let's get into the box. Let's see. Woo. I love opening this bad boy because it's so huge and it's always full of good stuff. So, let's try not to cover the camera lens, Samantha. That's not how we do. Alright, so it always comes with a magazine that has all the information on the buddies. Is buddy a word? On all the goodies inside your box. This box is also customizable now. I answered a few questions and they customized this box based on me. So I'm so excited. There's a HelloFresh gift card in here, which we're going to set aside, and let's see what we've got going in here. Let me open my magazine so I can tell you guys exactly what's in here and what the cost is. Okay, so what's inside this box is on page 3 of the magazine. So we are going to start off with, well, I'm not going to go in order because, like, I don't know, I don't like listening to rules. So the first thing I got here is the Dr. Brandts No More Needles, no needles no more baggage ID puffing gel. This is worth $42, and the tip they give is don't be afraid of the salmon shade. It means a color. It's used to correct your dark circles. Use your ring finger to pat a pea-sized amount directly to your under eyes. Okay, so it seems to be a color corrector as well. Well, we like color corrector, don't we, ladies? Oh, okay. So it's salmon. It's salmon colored, but you know what? It seems to just kind of blend right into your skin. Like it's not super. Ooh, I like the way it smells. I love Dr. Brandts. It doesn't seem to be super pigmented, so yeah, I'm definitely going to use this because you know what? You can't tell because I'm wearing lots of dark eye makeup today, but as I'm getting closer to the big 40, this has been something that has been really on my mind lately. It's just like my under eyes and the dark circles and whatnot. Okay, so the next thing I see here is, you know what? I have to open these up because I'm looking at this and I'm like, heck yeah. These are the Key Australia glasses. I got the ones in my girl. Oh! Okay, so you can get 4 different things. You can either get these sunglasses, another pair that kind of look like aviators, a picnic set. A picnic set looks like some sort of a cutlery set, or a facial, but I'm so excited I got these because honestly, I love sunglasses. These look so freaking dynamite. Oh my goodness. Oh, these look the best. Wait, I hope they look good on me. They're so cute. Okay, they're little, they need to be shaped. I mean, they're a little, oh wait, you know, maybe it's just because they're kind of caught with the rubber band here. These glasses are so freaking cute. These are a value of $55. Now, honestly, this box is worth these glasses right here because the box is worth $49.99. You can get $10 off your first purchase, you know, with my coupon, so it make it $39, but the glasses are worth the cost. These glasses are so freaking cute. When I go away next week, I am totally bringing these. I am in love. They're so adorable. I can't wait to show Matt. He's gonna be so jealous. Okay, so let's put them back in the bag like a good girl. Okay, I really like this package, by the way. Really cute. All right, so 2 out of 2, amazing. The next thing I see here, okay, what's this? This is oui. I'm assuming that's like French as in oui, like yes. A leave-in conditioner, and let's see. We're obsessed with this multitasking leave-in conditioner, and it works well to smooth, soften, and detangle hair. This is worth $26. Okay, so I'm not very particular on things that go into my hair, so I'm definitely going to give this a try. Like, I'm not worried about things staining my hair anymore because I don't dye my hair anymore. Before, when I was dyeing my hair, I was so scared about trying new hair products because I thought that I was going to mess up the dryness of my hair or the color, but now I'm just like, awesome. If they're saying it's great, I can't wait to use it. So yeah, this is a leave-in conditioner. I'm a little scared that I'll make my hair a little too like unmanageable in the like greasy, because my hair is so fine. I hate saying thin, but it's so fine. But I'm just gonna give this a go. All right, that's really cool. That's another great product. So happy. Okay, so the next thing I see in here is by Levito Aromatic Body Lotion in Mandarin Orange and Bergamot, and this is a value of $19. This is great. I'll tell you why. Oh, it's got a nice little seal on it. My skin has been so dry, I started getting like little eczema patches of dry skin on my body, which is not a good look. Oh my god, it smells so good. It's like orange but floral. So yummy. Let me take off my rings. I am all about that moisturized life right now because my skin, if I don't put moisturizer on, I have to do it right when I get out of the shower to like lock in that moisture. My body is screaming. Like it almost burns because my skin is so dry and it's really uncomfortable. This smells absolutely delicious and it feels so soft. And it's not greasy, which I really like. The packaging is super just light and just delicate, which I really appreciate. Dermatologically tested. All right, it's inspired by nature. I really like that. I'm very excited about that. And yeah, nobody is turning away moisture in this house because we are dry people. Okay, so the next thing I see in here is a jump rope by 11. Who is this by? Wait, is this says 11? 11 by Venus jump rope. It's a value of $15. Venus Williams. Will I have biceps like this girl and shoulders like this girl by the time I'm done? Well, let's get on it. She has the most beautiful, like I'm like, you know, I'm like, I need that, I need the exercise, right? But her shoulders are like unbelievably beautiful. So yeah, that's cool. I like that FabFitFun is trying to get me fit. I'm with it. I'm good. So yeah, you could have gotten that, a brush, or a cleanser. So I'm more than happy to have gotten that. Let's see what's next. I see a Swell bottle. I have heard so many things about this bottle. I'm so excited. This is Sip by Swell. It is sip and style while reducing single-use plastic consumption. Whether it's filled with hot or cold drink, the stainless steel water bottle will is insulated to keep your drinks at just the right temperature. This is a value of $20. I'm so excited about this because I have been seeing people using these bottles forever, and it's like their drinks stay so cold. I'm so excited about this, and it's a pretty pink. You know your girl likes some pink. All right. Feels really cool. Yeah. All right. And I can bring that to the gym because I just rejoined a gym because my gym closed. Thank you very much. So now I joined a fancy gym. An awesome gym. So anyway, the next product in here looks super fancy. Relax Champagne Charcoal Scrub, and it's exfoliate. Oh, that's just another language. It's Samantha. So this is the Monarch Kadar Champagne Body Scrub, a value of $24. I have to open this because I love me some body scrubs. Come on, let's get you open. Oh, my thumb just went into it. Okay. Oh my god. It kind of smells like a fruit roll-up. I'm not even kidding you guys. It smells so good. Oh, it's the champagne. It's the champagne. It's awesome. Well, of course my hands went into it. Let's exfoliate my hands. Okay. Yeah, this is great. I'm going to use this in the shower later. This is a beautiful package too. I love this rose gold. The rose gold cap. I'm having trouble speaking today. Okay, so something else we have in the box looks like clothing. Show me your Moo Brie robe. Just stepped out of a shower, planning on a day of lounging. Slip into this beautiful floral print robe to that features a removable belt and high-low hem. That's awesome. Robes are like seriously one of my favorite things. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, let's try it on. It's so pretty. Oh, so nice. I love this. And you know what I really love? The belt. Is it attached? No, it's not attached. Okay, so pretty. Oh, all right. I've never actually had a thin cotton robe before like this. I think it's cotton anyway. I'm not sure what it is. I don't think it's cotton. Maybe it's like polyester? No. I don't know. It doesn't even say. Okay. This value, it's an $84 value for the robe, and you can either get that, aromatherapy diffuser, or a backpack. I don't want the backpack. I don't want the diffuser. I'm so happy they sent me the robe because the robe is bomb. I'm actually going to jump in the shower, go body scrub, moisturize with the new moisturizer, and then put my robe on and drink some water with my little bottle. Okay. So, is that it? Is that all we got? Yes, that's it. All right, guys, listen. Going through this season's box is unbelievable. I would say that every single thing was awesome. I mean, like, FabFitFun. You guys need to check it out. I mean, I'm going to put the link in the description bar for you guys. This total value is somewhere between $226 and $314. It depends on what you get. But seriously, you guys, this box was bomb. I'm so happy. I can't wait to try it out. I can't wait to show those glasses to Matt. He's gonna absolutely freaking love them. He loves like 60s oversized glasses. So, all right, guys, I love you. Thank you for sticking around and checking out my video. I hope you'll check out FabFitFun. And that's it. I love you. Thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.